Are we going broke? Is America really going broke? Because I'm sitting here, I was working on a video project and I seen some of that pop on my timeline, people talking about, America's going broke. Well, my question to you is, are we really going broke? Because I personally don't see it. Not saying that I'm the smartest man in the world or things are just, above my pay grade or I'm just not seeing it because of my small world that I'm in. But something keeps bothering me because I'm trying to figure out, are we really going broke? Because here it is. I know we have a new administration now, so I don't really talk politics and all of that. But at the same time, I'm wondering because I still see people going on cruises. I still see people buying houses. I still see people buying cars. I still see people going to work to the job they say they hate. So, what is really going on? Um, can y'all tell me? I mean, if somebody can drop in the comments what's really going on, what I'm missing, then that can help me out a lot for real. Um, and for those who have never followed me and it's the first time you might be seeing my video, my name is Gary B, aka Uncle G. I have two YouTube channels. One is called Mentally Financial with Gary B, and the other one is The Traveling Veteran. Um, on The Traveling Veteran, I talk about motivational things, I talk about travel and things like that. And on Mentally Financial, I react to people's personal finance because I'm a finance coach myself, life coach and a finance coach. So that's why I have two different channels. One's for life and one's for finance. But anyway, so while I'm doing my videos for Mentally Financial, I just keep seeing all of this America going broke, or we can't afford this house, or I'm not making enough money at work. And it's bothering me because number one, like I said, I'm a retired veteran. I get one check, and that comes from my VA. I'm 100% disabled vet, so I get 4,000 a month, and I'm living off of it, regardless of the high grocery bills, the enormous egg prices. Me and my wife and my family are still surviving. I don't live above my means. I will start with that. I do not live above my means, but I don't live frugal either. I live like right in the middle. That's why budgeting is a very, very big thing to me. I budget to the dollar. And in reality, I use what we call the zero based budgeting plan. But if you come to my channel, you can check that out. But anyway, what I'm trying to get at is, are we going broke? I mean, really, are we going broke? You know, um, I pay mortgage. I got my house at a good time in my life where my mortgage is still under $1,000. I'm almost paid off. Things like that. I'm happy. My cars, all of my cars are paid off. I have three vehicles and all of them are paid off. So I don't have that bill. Luckily, being a 100% disabled vet in the state of Georgia, I don't pay property tax. So that kind of helps me. So that's what I'm trying to get at in this video. Can somebody be honest with me and tell me what's really going on? Because it has to be an individual situation. You know what I'm saying? I volunteer for the Red Cross, so I don't have another paying job, and I don't get paid from YouTube, or any social media. And when it comes to my coaching services, lately I've been doing them pro bono, so I don't even get paid from that. So can somebody come on here and drop some gems on me to let me know what I need to start focusing on to help people deal with their financial stress and financial issues? Because right now, I personally am not feeling it, and I'm knock on wood, I hope I don't. But regardless of what the administration is doing, with all of these big changes and closing this and trying to fire this and all of these crazy things going on, we have to start focusing on ourselves. If you honestly start living within your means, if the job is not paying you enough money, ask for a raise. If you can't get a raise, go somewhere else or go back to school and get something that you know you can make more money at. Don't just go to school, because we already know these college degrees are what they are. Some people living off their college degrees, others aren't. Some people are paying more for the college degree that they are not even using. You know, do I have some college in my background? Yes, but I made it a way. You know what I'm saying? The military took care of me, and I'm not telling you to go into the military, but the military took care of me. When I was in, I did the right things. I put all my stuff together. Um, I follow a lot of financial people here and people that do reaction videos like I do on personal finance, and a lot of them I agree with. I'm not a Dave Ramsey fan because I believe I mean, I wish everybody could be debt free, but I don't believe everybody will be debt free no time soon. But I would love to see everybody debt free. I'm not even debt free, but I live within my debt and I live within my means. So it's not hurting me. I don't complain about it. You know what I'm saying? So basically, we got to do what we got to do for ourselves and our families. So if you're at a job and you're not happy and you keep going back, it must be something taking you there. I understand that people saying it's hard to find a job out there, and it's hard to find a job that's paying any real money. That is something I can't help you with. But I will say this: if you pretty much start looking at what's out there, and some of these jobs you might not even want to do, but there are jobs out there that you can do to better your life. If you start looking in your closet, you know what I'm saying, for things you don't need anymore that you could possibly sell to somebody else who can possibly afford it, sell it. Why are we accumulating things that's hurting our pockets and not putting money in our pockets? Okay. So that's another thing on my channel. I don't talk about investments. Do I have investments? Do I have property? Yes. But if you don't know where your money is going right now, and you're not accounting for all of it, how can I teach you investments? How can I tell you about this and that? So we start with the basics over here. Learning how to put together a proper budget that's made for you, something that's going to help you in real life. Then we move on to bigger and better things. So if you think that you need a little bit of help, come holler at Uncle G. You know what I'm saying? Gary B, Uncle G, whichever you want to call me. It's no judgment over here. So I just wanted to jump on real quick while I'm doing my research for the next video that I'm going to be putting out. That just popped across my line, my timeline, and I'm just like wanting to know, is America going broke? And if we are, can you help me with the answer, or can you help me with the solution so I can help someone else? Hey, I'm your boy Gary B, aka Uncle G. And in all my videos, I always say, I'm living the life. I do the research. You just got to follow. Hey, I'll holler at you on the next level, and you be good, okay? Peace.